A USDA exam, the purpose of this exam is to protect the environment. In terms of how intrusive the exam is, it could be as little as USDA requesting documents. So we would upload those to DIS. Actually, I don't remember off the top of my head if USDA is integrated into ACE yet, but they can request documents, or they can hold for an intensive exam. There's also something called an FSIS inspection, which actually doesn't even require a hold. Certain products are just subject to an FSIS inspection every single time they come into the country. And you have to, or your broker has to, arrange the delivery to that FSIS inspection site and get it there, have it examined, and have it released. In terms of how long the exam takes, it depends on the product. If you are dealing with something that is easily evaluated, it's in easily marked containers, custom or USDA knows exactly what they're looking for, it can take a day. If you've got giant vats that you're shipping, and I don't remember what they're called, totes, and the measurements aren't as easy and it's a little harder to get into it, the sampling could take longer. They might have to send it off site to evaluate it. That might not be a quick process. So this one has got a really, really broad range of how long the exam takes.
Hey, Caleb, is there an easy way to determine when an exam is flagged by a specific PGA so we can know exactly who to contact and what documents to provide?
Usually, especially if it's a PGA that we transmit through ACE, because we do still do some on like Fish and Wildlife, for instance. Fish and Wildlife is one that we don't currently report through ACE. We actually go onto Fish and Wildlife's website. I think they're working on the pilot for that, but it's not released yet as far as I know. We would actually be in contact with them before it's even flagged. USDA or FDA, we will submit that information through ACE and we will get a message back in our system telling us if more information is required. And usually your broker takes care of that. So if you've got an FDA line that says, hey, hold this intact, your broker needs to go onto what's called ITAX, which is basically FDA's website online, and enter information, tell them what entry number it's regarding, upload documents, and then wait for FDA's instruction from there.
Thank you.
In terms of the exam fees from USDA, that's going to vary entirely by what facility you're at, what type of sampling has to take place. It could be just a couple $100. It could be, if they have to take a sample, send it off for testing, get it back, reevaluate something else, you could be looking at somewhere up in the thousands of dollars. It's kind of hard to tell on that.